Are you running out of storage on Google Photos and you want to delete all of your photos at once? Stick around because this video is going to show you the step-by-step process. So I'm currently on my Google Photos main page and I'm on my computer. And let's now delete this entire photo gallery. I only have 18 photos in this gallery as an example for this video, but this will also work if you have thousands of photos and videos. So what you want to do is to hover over the photo until you see this little tick icon at the top left corner. Click on it until the first photo is selected, and then you'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page or use the page down key on your keyboard until you get to the very first photo or video. The next step that you want to do is to hold the left shift key and select your first photo. When you do this, your entire gallery will be selected and highlighted in this blue color. And you can see that it says for me that 18 photos and videos are selected. And that's just what we need. All that's left is to click on the little trash can icon at the top right of your screen and then move to trash. So this is how you can delete all of your Google Photos at once. If you found this guide useful, then please consider leaving a like on this video and I will see you in the next one.